The invention of the lens is considered to be one of the most important technological advancements in human history, with significant impacts in fields such as astronomy, optics, medicine, and photography. The lens is a piece of curved glass or plastic that bends and refracts light, allowing us to see objects more clearly and magnify them. The lens revolutionized astronomy by allowing us to see distant celestial objects more clearly, leading to the discovery of new stars and planets. In optics, lenses are used in everything from eyeglasses and cameras to telescopes and microscopes, improving our ability to observe and understand the world around us. In medicine, lenses are used in instruments like endoscopes and ophthalmoscopes, allowing doctors to diagnose and treat conditions more effectively. One major improvement to the lens was the development of coatings that prevent glare and improve clarity. Another improvement was the creation of multifocal lenses, allowing people with presbyopia to see clearly at multiple distances without needing multiple pairs of glasses. In recent years, advancements in material science have led to the development of new types of lenses, including flexible and foldable lenses for use in cameras and smartphones. Researchers are also exploring the use of new materials, such as graphene and nanotubes, to create even more advanced lenses with unique properties. Overall, the lens has had a profound impact on the world, and ongoing research and development in this field are likely to lead to even more exciting advancements in the future.